Good morning. Happy Friday. Today is November 14th. It is 8:08 a.m. Central Time, so it's just a few minutes before the open. Um, just getting here kind of late. It is what it is. So it looks like there's some tariff stuff happening. Um, and so need to dive into that, but I think that is something kind of interesting that's going on here. Also, I saw on the news that there's some doubt with the rate cut coming in December, so that is not a good thing for now at least. And for today, it doesn't look like too much, but we do have jobless claims and PMI flash next week, so government is not shut down, so we should get that data, I think. So we'll just kind of see how that looks like. Um, if we just do a quick look at how we ended yesterday with the options flow, Q's a lot more bearish volume and puts. SPY mixed on calls and puts towards the end of the day, but bearish volume. Gold bearish volume, a lot of put premium there, and so everything looks like it's going down. So there you go. And if we look at interesting levels for us here on the Qs, more dark, so big dark pools up here. We fell over, more big dark pools here. It looks like we are going into neutral gamma area, but if we go lower, the 605, then it gets more negative. So that is something to keep in mind, and actually it might be lower because this isn't showing that. If we get to 600, we could go. And so that's something I will be paying attention to. And it's kind of similar, a little bit similar story with ES at 664. Gold, I think 380 will be a kind of a magnet support because it's positive gamma down there. And so we'll just kind of see. And I guess if we look at the charts themselves, so for gold, so this is electronic trading hour, so this is happening right now for gold. Nice dump, which is amazing. Really nice dump. And so I think on the swing short front, which I've been talking about, it may be time soon, actually. If I go to this chart that I like to look at, yeah, I mean, nice gap down. I mean, I would like a push up and then looking for a nice swing short. So we will see. We'll see how if this pushes up and doesn't close the gap and we can't. I think there's maybe something here. Um, if we get below this, then it'll be fun. Um, well, that's on the futures. If we look at GLD here, I'm just curious. Yeah, so nice gap down. We'll just see how today closes, and I will make a decision then. So there you go on that front. But let's see here. So on the indexes, I don't know why this says SPY. I need to fix that. This should be the Qs. Yeah, so we're kind of falling over here. Nice dump, double dump. And so we swept that low of the other day. We've gone lower, so that is a tell. That is very telling, actually. SPY has not. So SPY has held this. So this is something to watch, I think, coming into today. Russell has broken that, so that is interesting. Russell is leading us down. And then the Dow, let's see if the Dow can break this and keep going. So I'll be watching SPY if we break that low, but NQ has started and the Russell has definitely started. So could be interesting. More downside there. Go VIX, go. Um, so there you are. Dollars kind of falling over. Treasury yield and gold we saw already with this nice dump. Nice dump into this what could be support. So let's just see how we go here. Cool. So that's pretty much it for me. I need to just kind of get ready for the open here, but looking at what price looks like right now, it's really, I mean, price is saying we're going down. Um, Russell has broken support. NQ has broken that support, and now it's how like back down to these rare earth China fiasco levels, and so we'll just see how SPY behaves. And if we lose this low, then I think we're going to go a little bit more. And then we'll be watching gold if we bounce here or not. We could bounce back up to this 4100 level, and maybe that's a good place to look for shorts. So yeah, we will see. Cool. Well, that's it for me. Good luck and don't get caught.